Only a few days after the reveal, Mercedes-Benz USA has announced more details about the car. Replacing the outgoing S650, Mercedes-Maybach S680 4MATIC sedan will route its V12 power out to all four wheels rather than the rear wheels only. Rumors indicated that the S680 could be down on power compared to the outgoing Maybach S-Class, but the official figures prove otherwise. Mercedes USA says the handcrafted 6.0-liter V12 twin-turbo engine produces 621 horsepower and 738 pounds-foot of torque. For reference, these are identical to the output figures found in the outgoing Maybach S650 and Mercedes-AMG S65. Whereas those old V12 models sent their power to the rear wheels via an older 7-speed automatic, the Maybach S680 gets the latest 9G-tronic 9-speed transmission with a rear-biased 4MATIC system. The V12 engine sends 31% of the available torque to the front axle and 69% to the rear axle. The official curb weight is still unknown, but leaked data suggests the S680 will be lighter than its predecessor. With an official 4.4 second 0 to 60 miles per hour time, the S680 is quicker than the previous S650, 4.6 seconds, though it's still a tick off the pace of the S65, 4.2 seconds. Although it has supercar power levels, Maybach has capped the top speed at 130 miles per hour. Since it is based on the latest S-Class, this latest Maybach packs some of the most advanced technology available today. It features active road noise compensation with the Burmester high-end 4D surround sound system, which works like noise-canceling headphones to make the cabin even quieter. Nappa leather adorns the cabin, including 2 diamond quilted seat rest cushions for rear passengers. Maybach even took a page out of the Rolls-Royce playbook with electronically controlled doors that open and close with no human effort. The 2022 Mercedes-Maybach S680 4MATIC sedan goes on sale in the US in the first half of 2022, around 1 year after the V8-powered S580 model arrives. Pricing is not available yet, but the Maybach S580 already costs $184,900, so we expect the V12-powered S680 to carry a significant premium and breach the $200K mark.